Welcome back, students. Today we are going to learn about nutrition in animals. In our previous video, we learned about nutrition in plants, how nutrition takes place in plants by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process which takes place in green plants, and there are some more plants which are known as heterotrophic plants, and there were different mode of nutrition which takes place in heterotrophic plants. Just like other plants, animals are also comes under the category of heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means organisms which can't prepare their food inside their body. They depends upon other organisms for their food. So human and all animals comes under the category of heterotrophs. If we discuss about food habit of animals, then it is categorized into three types. First is herbivores. Herbivores means plant or plant product eater organisms. Second type is carnivore. Carnivores means animals which take animals as their food. And third type is omnivores. Omnivores means the organisms which take both plant and animal product as their food. So if we talk about nutrition in plant or animal, it is the process of intake of food and its utilization by the body. Let us see how the mode of nutrition takes place in animals. There is a term for animal nutrition. It is called the form of nutrition in which food is eaten in solid form is called holozoic nutrition. So the mode of nutrition which takes place in some organisms or animals through which they take in solid food inside their body. Like we human being takes food inside our mouth by using our hand. So this is called holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition is a mode of nutrition by which organisms, animals take in food inside their body, and the food is usually solid food. So if we discuss about nutrition, it is, what is nutrition? Intake of food and utilization by the body. And in between that, in case of animals, there are 5 steps which takes place in animals. First one is ingestion. Ingestion is the process by which food is taken inside the body of an organism. So the process by which food is taken inside the body of an organism is called ingestion. So ingestion means when we take in food inside our body. As we discussed, we human take in food by using our hand inside our mouth. Just like that, different kinds of animals having different organs for ingestion. Some animals use their mouth directly to take in food. Second step is digestion. Digestion is the process by which, or the process of converting or breaking down of complex food into simple soluble form. When we take food like chapati, then it is a solid food, and after chewing and by using different kind of enzymes, the food is converted, or enzymes take action on that food and convert it into simple parts, smaller parts. So digestion is the process of converting or breaking down of complex food into simple food. Now absorption. Absorption is the process by which soluble form of food passes into the body fluid. After digestion, the food converted into simple soluble form, and then that simple soluble form of food is absorbed by the body fluid. That is called absorption. So the process by which simple soluble form of food passes into the body fluid, that is blood in case of we human being. Next is assimilation. Then blood just carries that food to different organs, tissues and cells, and then that part of body utilizes the that simple soluble food. So assimilation is the process by which absorbed nutrients are utilized by the body. When that absorbed nutrient, simple form of food, is carried by blood and supplied to different organs of the body, and then that organ utilizes that nutrient, that process is called assimilation. After that, last one or fifth is egestion, the process of removal of undigested food materials from the body. Egestion is simply a process of removing of undigested food material from our body. After digestion and absorption and assimilation, some food particles are left undigested in our body part, that is small intestine, then it moves to large intestine, and from large intestine it is removed out from our body through anus, that is called egestion. So these are 5 steps which takes place in animal nutrition, in human as well as some other kind of animals also. In my next video we will discuss about different in different animals, smaller animals, how the process of digestion takes place.